Now let's focus on all the drama that made the Intense 5. We so forgot to mention that Kim K and Kanye are getting a divorce. I wonder if they signed prenups.
It's not everything you put in a song. Basically, that's what Vanessa Brandt told Meek Mill after hearing the lyrics of one of his latest songs, where he referenced Kobe and the helicopter crash. Meek later apologized.
Oh boy.
Highly insensitive.
Yeah. So Tiger was sleeping? The golf legend was in a terrible car crash that had him being rescued by the jaws of life. He had surgery done on his legs and he says he's recovering. Oh boy.
Safaree and Erica back at it again, or is this just a PR stunt for love and hip-hop? Whatever it is, it certainly has everyone talking. Safaree said getting married was the biggest mistake he ever made. Huh,
oh
my.
Gosh. Whoa, and finally holding the spot this week, Amari is back with a new song, Car Crash. I don't even know what to say, like literally. Mr. Lex said it all in his comments. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. We know you have lots happening in your area, so hit us up on our IG and let us know what's up.